I'm Katie St. Ors, a certified financial planner and licensed tax consultant. Today, we're going to compare TurboTax, H&R Block, FreeTaxUSA, and eFile.com. Let's get going. Transparency note: some links below are affiliate links. Using them supports this channel and helps me keep these tax reviews free. Doing your taxes can feel overwhelming, and choosing the wrong software only makes it tougher. You might be asking which service is actually the best fit for your specific situation. After filing thousands of returns and testing out dozens of programs, I've narrowed the list down to my 4 top picks: TurboTax, H&R Block, FreeTaxUSA, and eFile.com. Depending on your finances, one might be a much better fit than the others. They each have a slightly different approach. I'll be looking at their features, costs, ease of use, and who they're best suited for. So whether you're self-employed, an LLC owner, or just have a basic W-2, this review covers everything you need to know. Plus, I'll share my #1 recommendation. To start, these companies share a few core similarities. They all provide free filing for simple returns if you do the work yourself. They all use e-filing to get your refund back to you as fast as possible. Mailing a paper return can still cause months of delays. Every one of them promises to maximize your refund, and they all offer expert assistance, though that will cost you more. First, let's look at TurboTax. It is easily the most recognized name in the industry. It's very intuitive, providing a step-by-step guide for everything from basic W-2s to complex small business filings. They have a great reputation for accuracy and offering audit defense. They provide options ranging from do-it-yourself all the way to full-service tax prep. The main benefit of TurboTax is the interface. It's incredibly easy to use, even if you've never filed before. They lead you through the whole process very smoothly. It's also very thorough, covering almost any tax scenario you can imagine. Finally, their customer support is top-notch, with options for phone, chat, or email. So, what are the drawbacks? The biggest issue is the constant upselling. You'll face a steady stream of requests to buy extra add-ons, which can get expensive quickly, though some of those services are helpful. The paid tiers are also quite pricey for more complex returns. There are also big limits on the free version. It won't work for every situation. As my grandmother used to say, free can end up costing you a lot of money. Their pricing ranges from 0 to, well, quite a lot. Next up is H&R Block. A veteran in the tax space, they are known for offering both online software and in-person help. Their platform is generally affordable and easy to navigate, and they even offer a price match guarantee. One of the biggest perks is that if you get stuck, you can actually go to one of their thousands of physical offices. The pros here include that face-to-face support. If you prefer talking to a human, H&R Block is the only major player that offers in-office help. You also get a wide variety of pricing levels, allowing you to pick the amount of support that fits your budget. On the flip side, that in-office support can be a con too. Outside of peak tax season, many offices have very limited hours, making it hard to get help with year-round planning or IRS notices. In-person prep is also usually more expensive than doing it online. Some people also find their online interface a bit less smooth than TurboTax. And like the others, those free starting points can add up fast. Now, let's check out FreeTaxUSA. As the name implies, they offer a truly free version for many filers. Federal returns are $0, though they do charge about $15 for state returns. Even so, it's arguably the best value on the market. The advantages are clear. They were recently the top-rated software by Kiplinger. The pricing is incredibly competitive, and the software is very straightforward for those with standard tax situations. I also noticed significantly less upselling here compared to the bigger names. The main downside is brand awareness. They aren't as famous as TurboTax or H&R Block, who spend millions on ads every year. You might have even seen one of their commercials during this video. But when it comes to the final bill, FreeTaxUSA is the clear winner on price. That brings us to eFile.com. You've likely seen this as a budget-friendly alternative. The biggest pro here is the cost. While the major brands might charge $100 or more for a basic return, eFile.com is much more affordable. For 2026, they have a free tier for simple returns, and their paid versions are often half the price of competitors. This is a huge win for W-2 employees or simple freelancers who just want a solid software solution. Pro number 2 is the speed. The platform isn't fancy, which actually helps. It's a clean interface without constant pop-ups, so you can often finish a return in 20 minutes if you have your papers ready. It's also fully updated for the OBBB Act, handling the new $2,200 child tax credit automatically. Now for the cons. Unlike the premium brands, eFile.com does not provide professional support. You won't find a live CPA or an enrolled agent to jump on a call with you. They offer great software support and technical help if the site glitches, but they don't provide custom tax advice or audit representation. If your taxes are very complex, this might be too DIY for you. Con number 2 is the add-ons. While federal is cheap, state returns usually cost an extra $20 to $30. Keep an eye on the checkout screen for things like audit defense that can raise the price. Always check your total before filing. The bottom line? eFile.com is a great middle ground option. It's more affordable than the big names, but handles the new 2026 deductions better than some totally free sites. If you can follow software prompts and don't need a pro's help, it's a great way to save. My partner link is in the description. To wrap things up, picking the right software depends on your specific needs, your budget, and how much help you want. My recommendation is that if you have a simple return, eFile.com is a fantastic choice. Even if you have to pay $30 for a state return, you're getting it all done for about $55. I've listed the states with no income tax on the screen, but double-check your local rules. For anything more complex than a basic return, stick with TurboTax.
That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Happy tax season. Goodbye.